Hello, my name is Katya, and today I want to show you a quick demo of channels in Mantle Chat. In this example, I will show you how a small team of 2 members can start to log in their budget in Mantle Chat. I'm in shared workspace now with 2 members. I'm going to create a new channel with title budget. I can also add description, it's optional, and I will skip it for this example. Great, the channel is created and it's visible for both team members. Also, both team members can see presence indicator and unread messages indicator. Now both team members can start to chat in the channel. I'm typing my first message, and they can see a typing indicator. And now the teammate can answer. And we can add a reaction to a message. I prepared a list with random company titles with costs for this example. It's possible to attach files, but in this example I'm going to copy-paste. And also I prepared a prompt. I want to ask to convert our data to a table. Both teammates can see the result. Now I can also ask a model to convert this table to any different types, CSV, Markdown. And the key point, any team member can ask, for example, a quick budget views or share some new spends. Or, for example, even create some custom assistant and ask for recommendation how to cut budget. And a lot of different things. Thanks for watching.